Hello and welcome to Certified Supplier Initiative Shanghai Shantou Factory Tour. My name is Alex and today I'm going to be your host. Certified Supplier Initiative was launched by China Toy and Juvenile Products Association, and we evaluate toy and baby products manufacturers based on 5 criteria. So what are these 5 criteria? Number 1 is product safety. Number 2 is safety assurance. Next is specified standards, self-export capability, and social responsibility. Today we are here in Shanghai, Shantou, known as the China Toy and Gift City. Shanghai is the hub of more than thousands and thousands of toy, gift, and anime manufacturers, franchisers, and service providers. Behind me you can see a big factory, one of the certified suppliers, which is called Caipo Technology Co Limited. So together with you, we're going to explore this factory and see how the products are being produced. Just stay with me and follow, you will be amazed. Here I'm standing at the entrance of the main building of Caipo Technology Co Limited. So this company started back in 1999, which is more than 22 years of business. So basically this company specializes in manufacturing and selling model car toys with official license. Production headquarters is located in Shantou city of China, which is right now we're standing in this city. And they have another plant in Fujian province, which was started back in 2016. Now, both plants areas totals around 66,000 square meters with more than 1,000 employees. Now, Caipo Technology has taken one-stop product development manufacturing process, which includes basically 3D modeling, prototyping, and until the final product. So like I mentioned, Caipo Technology Co Limited has been in business for more than 22 years now, and they have been in cooperation with more than 30 international auto brands, which include Porsche, BMW, Audi, Land Rover, and so on. So all of which are very well known worldwide. And obviously, when we count the main product series, this includes 124, 132, 143, 164, and construction series totaling 300 items. Okay, next part of our factory tour is the die casting workshop. In this massive workshop, we've got 25 die casting machines operating, and all of them, as you can see, they are fully automated. But of course, they need few employees here, human employees, just to, separate the products from each other and double check the product quality so that, they can pass them on to the next section. So this gentleman here, for example, he's handling the last of the line here from the die casting machine, and he's checking, as you can see, the product quality. All right, now we are in the injection workshop of Caipo Technology Company's factory. So basically in this large workshop, we've got around 80 injection machines, and right behind me you can see the machine in action. Okay, let me show you in close-up. So this injection machine basically is fully automated, and right here it's an injection molding machine. It produces important pieces for each product, and this machine, it doesn't require a human assistance, but of course we've got one employee here just to double check the quality of the products being produced here. Now, as you can see, I'm in the middle of 3 automatic spray workshops. Now, one here on my left side, on my right side, another one, and then behind you can see far away there another workshop. Now, what is the important part about this workshop? So basically, if you're familiar with car spraying, like paint spraying technique, most of the luxury car brands, real car brands, they go through 3 painting stages basically. Now, Caipo Technology Limited, in their production, they use the same technology as in the real cars. Their products basically go through the 3 painting sprays. And on my left-hand side, the painting line is used for the standard products, and then on the right-hand side, these are used for the luxury product lines, basically product spraying. Now, in all these 3 spray painting lines, they can handle 200,000 pieces of products basically. All right, now we are in painting and pad printing workshop. As you can see, I'm surrounded by a lot of workers here. What makes this workshop special is, people actually give personal touch to each product. Let me prove this point to you, all right? So for example, this lady over here, she's using her hands, not a machine, to label and put some special, signs for each product here, using her hands only. On my left hand side here, there are workers using different brushes to paint each product by hand again. So again, this gives a personal touch, each product, almost like a, handmade product. So everybody kind of perfects the products before they go out for the next department. Caipo Technology Co Limited has 20 assembly lines in total, and we are in one of them right now. As you can see, I'm surrounded by around 300 workers working, assembling die-cast car toy products basically. This is where you can see actually how the die-cast products are made on the production line. And one of the important parts I need to mention, standard production process and strict quality management system are one of the most important evaluation criteria for certified suppliers. So these workers are, when they hired, they are trained, and some of the key positions here, they possess important certifications to be here. And the workers actually, they are assigned for different positions, obviously, so they don't repeat themselves. As you can see, this line, all of them, they wear blue shirts, and they do, different inspection roles. So for example, product confirmation, mutual inspection, line inspection, and finished product inspection, and warehouse systems and procedures. And they also strengthen the training for product specification and operating skills to maintain the stability of product quality. Now we are in a very important part of the production line here. So as you can see, the assembly line comes to this end where you can see the production quality control. Okay, they inspect the quality here. As you can see, I invite the cameraman to pay attention here. So this personnel here, her role is basically to quality check the products, to inspect the product's faultiness. If the product is good in quality, she will pass on to the worker which is in front of her. But if the product is faulty, she will put them in a special box right here. It means that defective products, as you can see here. So the defective products are then passed on to the next section, which is a repair section. So all the defective products are being repaired here, as you can see. And after being repaired, they are again passed on the quality inspection section, the same part that we have seen there. Now we are in one of the most important parts of our evaluation. This is the showroom of Caipo Technology Co Limited. Now, before we go any further, I would like to mention this very important part first. All of the certified suppliers, including Caipo, attach great importance to product safety and aims at bringing out products with superior quality at competitive prices. Now, if you can follow me, please, I would like to show you some of the products here. As you can see, the showroom is quite spacious and surrounded with a lot of die-cast car models. Now, if we go to this to my left side, we can see, for example, here on the walls, different car models for different purposes, basically. If you are a child, this is a great toy for you. If you're a collector, they can be a great addition to your collection, basically. So let me just show you some of the examples here. Now, from the top, as you can see, there are some car models for police, different occasions, like I said. And some of the car models here for the postal workers, right? Some of them here are for, ambulances, for hospitals. And if we go further here, we've got sports car models and beautifully packaged, as you can see. Some of them are really like classic car models here. On my right here, we've got a special area which I was told that this company produces also, you know, a science kind of a package, which comes with a lot of, you know, construction and, you know, tracks and everything, like you can see here in this mini, like implication of the, you know, the scene here, as you can see. Very beautiful. And I would like to actually pick up one of the, you know, random models here. Okay, this is you know, I think it's you know, Maserati brand. Like I mentioned in the different parts of the video, this company actually cooperates with more than like 30 international auto brands, like including Porsche, Lamborghini, you name it, everything basically, even you know, Bentley and Maserati. Now, I was told that all of the materials used in these die-cast car models are eco-friendly, so the clients can be assured that it's not damaging the environment, and the quality can be felt, like it's solid, it's heavy, you know. And another very important part of this showroom is you can see some of the certificates here. I'd like to show you here, if you can follow me, please. Now, in the European Union and the US market, as many of you know, that you know, standards are pretty strict, especially in the developed you know, markets, including US, European Union, and all of these other developed countries. Now, for them, basically, this company, there is a reason why this company is certified. This company passed, for example, EN you know, 71 certificate, and they also have this, you know, the very important EN 62115 certificate, and all of these test and quality certificates, basically, as you can say, EMS verification summary. And so it's basically, you know, if the customers and clients require some sort of certification, this company can provide them, because they have passed most of the important ones here. So, for example, quality management system certificate, and I was also shown this, you know, social responsibility certificate, which is a IETP certificate, and also there's a, you know, certificate for the TR US, for example, here, which are very, very important. Now, most of the important part of this showroom, and for the die-cast products of this Caipo Technology Limited, is their featured you know, function, which is sound and light. For example, in some of the car models, they can incorporate this very important feature, which is again light and sound. So, for example, you open the car door, it makes you know, it sounds, and at the same time there is a light. Okay, of course. When I asked the sales manager, they said this can be incorporated on a, you know, custom based. If the clients want, they can incorporate it in a car model. Like I said, this is a very solid car model, heavy, eco-friendly. Rest assured that in the production, the environment is not being damaged. So when you're in Shantou, please give them a visit, speak to the factory's managers, and they will be happy to show you around. Okay, now in the factory, we are one of the very delicate rooms. So this room is basically the testing laboratory. As you can see, the testing laboratory is obviously, you know, equipped with people in white robes. And this section of the lab is, you know, for the battery tests. There are, because, you know, Caipo has different types of products, and some of them are battery based, all right? So this section tests for the battery products. Now, what is the purpose of this testing lab? It's basically, you know, most of the products are exported to, you know, developed markets, okay, including USA, European Union, basically all over the world. So therefore, they have to test the products for different purposes. This battery tests, and we've got the physical tests as well. So physical tests are divided into different sections, as you can see. The tension test, compression test, and bite test, torque test, sharp edge test, also sharp point test, and electric performance test at last. And let me mention this. Basically, what the factory does is they test the products here in the lab first, and then, they have to send it to the third-party qualified, authorized, special company. Caipo works with such companies in Guangzhou and in Beijing. So those qualified, the testing companies, they test the products at the final point, and then the product go for the export. Now let's look at Caipo's R&D department. I am in this specific department right now. As you can see, I'm surrounded by Caipo's R&D personnel. And as most of you know, producing great quality products is not easy. Obviously, it requires the company to hire experienced and qualified personnel. So this is what we can see here. They're in action. As you can see, the computers, they're working in design and development of die-car toy products. So if you go further down the line here, we've got the design team working. In total, we've got 20 people working right now. So this area, R&D department, is around 500 square meters. So let me show you the design department as well. Now, design department, although it's compact, comprised of small number of people, like I mentioned, all of them are greatly qualified and come with experience, and they are working day and night to develop great quality products for Caipo Technology Limited. Social responsibility is one of the main criteria of how we evaluate certified suppliers. Basically, when we evaluate, we look at how companies take care of their employees. Right now, I'm standing in an employee canteen. The canteen serves the employees of this factory. Basically, this can cater about 250 employees at the same time. Behind me, you can see the service area there. There are professional chefs. They offer a delicious meal to the employees, basically 3 times a day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Basically, this canteen is located right next to the employees' dormitory. And as you can see, it's quite spacious. Very well lighted, and obviously the meal prices are very well taken care of. Basically, employees are expected to pay only 2 yuan. With the Chinese standards, it's considered too cheap, basically. Why? Because the company takes care of the rest of the meal. Basically, company, as I was told, they pay 10 yuan, but the employees are expected to pay only 2 yuan per meal. And that is it provides basically the fact that how this company takes care of the employees very well. Now I've got Caipo Technology Company Limited Sales Manager, Miss Sally here. Thank you very much, Miss Sally, for having us and giving us a great tour of the factory. Now, I would like to ask you some questions, please, if that's okay. Number one question, also very important for our clients and viewers here. How many years have you been engaged in toy baby products business, please?
Our company is established in 1999 and with the history around 22 years.
Wow,
yeah.
22 years is a long time basically, and basically it gives you a proof of quality and experience. And my second question is, what is your company culture?
Our company's mission to spread the culture about auto die-cast and pursue quality life. Yes.
Thank you very much, Miss Sally. So now we're going to say goodbye to our viewers. And once again, if you want to contact this factory, please send them a message or give them a visit directly, or alternatively, you can get in touch with us, China Toy and Juvenile Products Association. Thank you very much for viewing, and bye-bye.